what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have a brand new cologne to show you guys. So I have it right here. This is the cologne. It's the Versace Dylan Blue, guys. I will unbox this for you guys, and we'll get into the notes a little bit more, and the top sprays and everything. So let me go ahead and unbox this for you right here. So as you can see, I opened the box, guys, and the first thing that you see when you open it is this Versace writing right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh, it's right there. So it smells heavy in there though. It smells like something was thrown in the box or something. Right? But at the side, guys, you have this golden sign. The Versace logo is in the middle, as you can see, and this is the outer of it, and this is the outer in zoomed up, if you wanna say. So as you can see here, it has a nice golden touch to the blue. Guys, this fragrance, so this is the 100 ml, and this is 100 ml equals to 3.4 fluid ounces. I think FL stands for fluid, I'm not too sure. That came to mind. So yeah, at the back you'll have it says this is the toilet. It says this product can be sold only by authorized Versace retailer Versace. Well, that is not true, as I will show you now. At the bottom of the box it will have a code. Alright guys, so the first impression of it, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. Really nice. I did like one review, and I did 5 reasons why you should buy this fragrance. So check that out right here. I will insert a picture, or you can go into my playlist and you can see all of my cologne videos. Smells nice in the box though. So guys, to be honest, the box doesn't matter. The box doesn't matter what box it comes in. It doesn't matter. Like, you can get the worst box when a cologne comes inside. The box can be the worst box in the world, and the juice inside of the bottle, what is inside of this bottle, that is what matters, to be honest. Like, it doesn't matter, but you know. So guys, if you want to know if you're getting the authentic Versace Dylan Blue, what you want to check for is this code right here. This white writing right here. Let me put this up a little bit close. Alright, so it says 7335 4x.D. So you want to get that same number at the bottom of the box. That's how you know it's the authentic cologne. Right here I have it. It's written in dots right here. Oh, and another way to spot authentic fragrance or the original fragrance is check this little barcode right here. Download a scanner on your Android or Apple device, and you put the camera on it, and when you scan it, it'll show the product, and if that product cannot show, then it's a fake. Or if something else pops up, then the cologne is fake. But this one definitely is original, because as I've read, the bottle says 7335 4x.D, and it's the same thing. Oh my god, my phone battery is dead now. Yeah guys, so, and the box have the same thing, 7335 4x.D. so it's right here. You guys can't see it because it's too bright, but yeah, that's how you know it's the true fragrance. So now that we're off with that, the initial impression of the bottle will look like this. you have this right here, the Versace logo. This is engraved. This is a separate. This is separate from the bottle. This is not glass or like printed on. This is a separate piece. This is the metal, like the metal cap. This is not a steel cap, by the way. You have to push it in. The cap is really nice. It has this inside of it. On top of it, it has the Versace engraved, the logo outer engraved. Here you'll see a Versace writing, and you'll spot this little black from on the sprayer. You can see the black atomizer. It's black right here, this little black dot. That's how you spot the original. And also you have this logo, the Versace logo will engrave on the top here. So if you don't see that, know that it's the fake fragrance. So that's about it, guys. So now let's get into the notes. Go watch my other reviews because that will tell you everything about this fragrance. Go on my playlist and watch that. I also did 5 reasons why you should buy this fragrance, so make sure to check out that, because that will give you 5 reasons why you should pick this fragrance up, because it's a really nice fragrance, guys. By the way, this is not my fragrance. Believe me when I say this, I bought this for someone. So so the fragrance was $70 in store. Usually they sell it for $80. I've seen they sell it for $80. But the thing is that the booth that I buy the fragrance from, they're really nice, and I got it for $60. So they gave this to me for $60. It was really nice. Like, the experience was nice. I get to try new colognes. I tried Burberry, Mr. Burberry it's called. That wasn't too nice, and it was like $50. But for the price point for Mr. Burberry, it was kind of cheap. Not cheap, but you know what I mean. So yeah, this fragrance usually lasts, I would say 8 hours max. Like, if you leave home in the morning, you'll come home smelling. Someone have to really be up to that point that you spray it. Like, for example, if you spray it here, someone has to really be up on your neck to smell it. So 8 hours, so keep that in mind. Let me go ahead and spray this for you guys. Smells so good, guys. Like, really nice. Like, just buy it, guys. Link in the description. What are you waiting for? It's also from Amazon, so you can get like shipping from Prime. Takes like 3 days or something. You can get it. Also on Amazon you can get it cheaper, I think, because that's not like in store. Really nice. Now it's killing me. The one spray is gonna kill me. Like, the thing. Guys, go and get this. Like, I love Versace brand because of the fragrance and the history of it, guys. Like, Versace is such a historical brand. Love it, guys. Have to like it. Have to like this fragrance. Like, so good, so good. Alright, guys. So if you want to know anything more about this fragrance, let me know down in the comments. If you're new to my channel, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so that way you get all of my videos. Peace out, guys.